Here I have OnePlus 10T, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Contacts application, then go to the Fix and Manage, import from SIM card. That's what we're going to do in this video. So here you can select which contacts you want to transfer from your SIM card on your device. Tap import. Then, we can remove copies, no problem. And 3 contacts imported. So yeah, as you can see now I have these contacts on my device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.